Okay, so this is Mum Cat, and you can see Jackie's rubbing her there. She loves a little scratch behind the neck, and the little kitties are up on top of her. Now they're terrified of me because I'm the lunatic with the trap who chased them for a couple of days and took them away from their mum, but I'll walk away and then come in from the side. On her head there and her ear, where she was liking it in the back of the neck. Oh, she's loving that. Okay, so that's the mum, and 1, 2, 3, 4 little kittens. If anyone is interested, you can give me a shout, bernardevans1@gmail.com or 086 863 4043. Okay.